Step 6. Generate dynamic symbols to represent the site analysis. Let's turn off all layers, leaving only the dynamic symbols layer visible. But first, we should clean up the layers panel or tags a bit to make it easier to manage. The sun diagram layers tags that are created should be merged into the sun path folder. Or use another name, whatever you prefer. Okay, I've finished cleaning up. Now, only the dynamic symbols layer or tag remains. Use function 2 of the dynamic symbols plugin to animate them. Select the symbols and click Create Scenes. Hit Test Animation to verify that they are functioning. It seems they are not working correctly. We will check the animation in Model Info. We turn on animation and set the value to 1 second. Press Test Animation to verify the changes. Okay, great. They are moving correctly now. Now we will export them as a video. But first, we will set up that only 3 scenes are checked for include in animation, Feb_F1, Feb_F2, and Feb_F3. Go to File, Export Animation. Inside the export options, remember to uncheck Loop to Starting Scene. Click OK and wait for the software to export the video. You must absolutely not cancel midway. If you do, you will have to recreate the symbols from scratch. This is not an issue for SketchUp 2023 or older versions. Okay, the exported video looks good. Now I will combine it with the shadow analysis video that was exported in Step 5. To create a complete diagram, open Photoshop or any program that can handle video. Go to File, Scripts, Load Files into Stack. Choose the 2 recently exported videos to merge them into a single video. Put the dynamic symbols video layer above the shadow analysis video layer. I will remove the white background of the dynamic symbols video layer by using blending option. Slightly drag the white color handle of the current layer. That should fix it. Reduce the opacity of the dynamic symbols video layer a little. Press play to check the result. Okay, you can duplicate the dynamic symbols video layer to fill up the timeline. Now, let's export the final video. Here is the final result. We wish you success. Please hit the subscribe button if you like our method. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching the entire video.